everyone, I'm Tom with Mainline Overland. Today we're going to take a look at ground clearance. This is a 2023 all-wheel drive Sprinter. It has the Van Compass 6.3 2-inch lift kit.
What we're doing here is we're dropping the vehicle's subframe in order to gain that 2 inches of lift and to keep the steering geometry in its proper form. Dropping it takes a few guys and a bunch of jack stands in order to get subframe down safely and in order to install the pucks that you see there.
One of the first things that you're going to do with your van is to just make it drive better. The Van Compass 4.3 kit is a great basis. When you add the 6.3 kit, you add subframe spacers that allow the van to raise up a bit more, create more ground clearance to fit these larger tires. It also has the Van Compass inverted rally strut, and to top it off, to get the most ground clearance, we're using a 255/85/17 Baja Boss from Thompson. That tire is going to lift everything from the bottom up, and we're going to get a lot of ground clearance under the vehicle. This is going to be great for going through deeper snows, going through muddy terrain, to not get your undercarriage hung up. This van's of course equipped with the Baja brackets from Van Compass to allow a stronger reinforcement of the upper shock bracket. The vehicle's also equipped with the Van Compass bump stop spacers. This allows you, with that larger lift, to maintain your bump stops at the normal height. If you have a built RV, chances are they've done everything possible to the interior of that van, but have not touched the suspension. Really, these vehicles have a lot of weight in them. They need to have some way of managing that weight, and one of these suspension kits, like the Van Compass 4.3 or 6.3 kit, are a great way to support the van properly.